I know what you're thinking. Why is he putting that chimney right in front of the solar panels? And yeah, I get it. It's not the ideal place, but I did think of every other option I could, putting the stove on the other side of the bus, sending the chimney up behind the panels with an elbow, but none of those options were great. So in the end, I went with this one. It's a kind of compromise, but to be honest, the sun so far, the sun hasn't seemed to have caused, the chimney hasn't seemed to have caused that many shadows. As winter comes and the sun drops lower, it definitely will cast a shadow over the panels, but we just have to live with it. It's the only way I can do it. And the bus roof is only so big. There's only so much space to fit panels and the chimney. So that's how it's going to be. Doesn't feel like it today, but it's autumn now and winter will soon be here. So glad to have that finished. I'm sure we'll be lighting out before long. I want to get the bus off the wheels and the suspension. There's a lot of reasons for that. Partly it's the sort of the air in the tyres will go lower over time, and then the deck and the bus level will change, and the bus rocks around a little bit. Anyway, it's just better to have it on some blocks. So what I'm doing is I've got this jack that I found in the bus when I first bought it. I think I've talked about it in like one of the early episodes, but there's the beast. It's an old Dunlop jack, simple bottle jack. So I'm using that to lift the bus up, and then I'm building a kind of cradle, like a Jenga stack of wood, and then blocking it up so it's resting on the chassis, not the suspension. That way I can level the bus and it won't rock around.
gravel past it.
The front of the bus is now level side to side. Took a bit of messing around, but it's about right. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's not concrete under there anyway. It's just I've just chucked some gravel in, so it will settle over time. So there's no point in getting too obsessed about it. This back bit is now, obviously the bus is now tilted up like this with the front wheels off the ground. So I just need to find a decent solid jack point under here, lift this end of the bus, and chuck some wood under it. But I'll clear away this grass first so I can see what I'm doing. So that's the bus level. It's off the suspension now, which is great. So it's solid inside and everything's level, which will be good when I'm cooking and things like that. So the northern hemisphere is going into spring now, and we're in the southern hemisphere, so we're just coming into autumn, and it's so nice. It's probably my favourite time of year here. It's just clear blue skies most mornings, a little chill in the air in the morning. It's nice. I go to this thing called Crop Swap in the local town where you give away some of your excess food and produce and you take something back. And I've got this box of shrubs. I'm going to plant these in the hedgerow down there, give me some extra protection from the wind, and they look good too. So give me something to do for this morning. Normally plants like that, I'd just chuck them in the ground. Felt a bit mean since there's a huge pile of mulch there. I thought I'll give them a good start. Put a bit of cardboard down to suppress the weeds and the grass, bit of mulch on the top. See how they go.